Rasnene said, "Nay, any a farm maybe you are industry one can then come in there and can be and can sink away. If you crack and then why you confronted you or Hagana. So share movie industry near contribution. Modern boy, Emma Ghana growth ekoswa. No industry is bigger than us.
Okay.
Your industry, a good women fan is a call for me. A collapsing industries. I see a lot of industries. Tema industries I employ thousands of people. Factory cities. And here collapsing.
Yeah.
Because the movie industry is down. So it tells you the kind of people who be losing their job. It is high time and what's a buying of channeling the industry because when there is a growth of the industry now, so the much and you much on baby be also so when now deal
come on Jim advert to be part
so to the metro when now and the radio stations press.
Yeah.
What you show even here we say you know.
Say now busy.
Now what you show say even one production can employ 50 people. That's a day produces 10. That's what movie. How many people are we looking at? As in employment. So what you say?
And as at that time, just movies now, but investors
and aside that, you transforming people.
Yeah.
Because industry, no. Microphone be brand sabi. You need microphone way. Omo vagabonds. Omo attitude. Omo character. Omo behavior. Omo criminals. Having criminals in no. Yet convert all these people into the industry.
Yeah.
Omo change. Me that be America. Some me. And ne. Any pako social media. Like. Rasnene.
Yeah.
No we niaji. Because Rasnene said, "Nay, any a farm maybe you are industry one can then come in there and can be and can sink away. If you crack and then why you confronted you or Hagana." So what you say? But through our movie industry, we are able to transform Rasnene. The late Blanks.
I was with Rasnene waterfall because Tafoni will make it excellent. I just don't want to go into his past, but I think the movie industry, no,
that is why it's also you're changing people's life. Look at somebody like Abraham Atta. This young boy was in the street. He was selling in the street. He was selling in the streets.
He's a big boy now,
and you're picking it up. You're changing. You're transforming a life. That is what the movie industry can do. And the government must look on Cheyenne. Kofi, on Cheyenne.
Does it look worrying? Say, because a movie from the mainstream, and I could na YouTube. Obo Dr. Likee, no only crew no cheche kuni, and then I come here as I see a movie. You didn't grow in a YouTube. Say this Kofi, what is expected?
Kofi, we still do movies. Irrespective of say and then channel productions for TV.
Okay.
Right? Me and Frank Fifi Gavin, why movies bear 2-3.
Okay.
And now baby they are watching even aircraft bear 3 Omaji.
Okay.
So what you say? Omaji omo you see a movie it's to generate money.
Okay.
A movie for Aquaba Magic. For DSTV, international standard.
Okay.
So what you say? Until Sanya market, the movie industry, and you say a form. It was any time because it's changing people's life. YouTube is not part. It's part of the industry.
It is.
So what they
but I said, almost a quality wise. Send a movie, movie, no, and yes, I need YouTube.
Excellent.
Camera, something near the idea, and he said, movie, the setting and everything, and this on YouTube.
As a filmmaker, you have to do your things right.
Yeah.
So what you say? May one thing, Emma, may if I would do YouTuber, I will make sure say may ye. On say adia na Ghanaians anytime be high and kakra say obi ya adia baako na se fama na no bia ediachi. No, as a filmmaker you need to sit down, plan very well, and then no also ade a the best system no a bit me break. Let me tell you, look at what the Nigerians are doing now. Nigerians are doing the YouTube.
Yeah.
But omo ye classy.
Classy, as is
all the yet to what? Maybe a no benya be 10,000 views. Nigeria will bet me 3 million, 4 million views a day.
It wasn't the idea, no. But even the camera back,
it must be done and done well. That is why me as ASARE BEDIAKO, I don't just do a movie.
Okay.
I plan and I make sure say I do it and do it well. So what you say? Because once it's a film, at the end of film, it's on record.
Yeah.
We are the phone. A china will be able to find the above target. Some massa adi we want to hear the phone 1 year. Me so me pieces are dent. Remember?
Okay. Okay.
So what you say?
Yeah.
So the YouTube is good. I create a lot of employment for them, but they should do it and do it well.
Okay.
They should employ good people, good directors, so what good technical people. And then say, who say, I think so much start you try the year back.
Yeah.
That is how it should be.
Okay.
So and just say, YouTube until now go for camera, get to webinar, did you know now you open? No, a better all these things it will be regulated.
Okay.
So what I say because film enya dey say obeye ni bia na odi ato. You need the picture quality, the sound quality, everything, the storyline, the gear was say excellent. So they be nipa na behwe ahwe bi. Movie like I told you so, and now the two will be as why? Because at that day, you know, the late Kofi Renchi, I know a director. I think some way assistant director as at that time. So the Omuna Kwame Nkrumah do call India filming and that was their first project. I told you so. Up to date, technically you see say
you will love it.
You will love it. So and that is what me per se. Ye nyina as filmmakers no se be ye adwuma ne de akofi ye nye ni ye ni ye na animonyam ne ba aba ma ye nyina.